Alright folks, before we dive into the wild world of crypto trading bots, smash that link in the description for your exclusive discount. Don't say I never treat you. Now let's get ready for the ultimate showdown, Coinrule versus 3Commas. Who's the real MVP for automating your crypto hustle? Let's find out. First up, Coinrule. Think of it as your friendly robot assistant. No coding skills needed. With Coinrule, you drag, drop, and boom. Your custom trading rules are live. Want to buy Bitcoin when it dips 5%? Dead simple. Plus, their templates are proper beginner-friendly. Even your nan could have a go. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Well, Coinrule's free plan is a bit tight. Only a couple of rules and not all exchanges are supported. If you want the full buffet, you'll need to pay up. Now, on to 3Commas. This one's for the big brains, or anyone who likes more buttons to press. 3Commas comes loaded with advanced strategies, portfolio tracking, and one-click copy trading if you fancy riding someone else's coattails. The Smart Trade terminal is like mission control for your coins. But beware, if you're new, it can look a bit like the cockpit of a spaceship. And while there's a free trial, you'll need to cough up for the cool features. So, which is best? If you want simple, stress-free automation, Coinrule's your mate. If you're after full control, more complex strategies, and you're not afraid of a learning curve, 3Commas is your ticket. Here's the deal. Both get the job done. It's about what suits your style. Me, I say, try both. Start simple, then level up. Don't forget that juicy discount link is waiting for you in the description. Click it before it disappears. Happy trading, and remember, robots never sleep, but you probably should.